Hey guys, welcome to our channel Love Art, where travel is an art. चाय, ये जो वर्ड चाय है ना, ये बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट वर्ड है हम जैसों के लिए. बैड डे एट वर्क हो, स्ट्रेस हो या फिर मॉर्निंग लेजीनेस हो, ये सब कुछ भाग जाता है विद अ वार्म कप ऑफ टी. क्या आपको पता है इंडिया में द मार्केट साइज ऑफ टी इज अराउंड 130 बिलियन INR. It was calculated in 2017. और आपको पता ही होगा राइट कि असम इज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ टी इन द कंट्री एंड सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर इज वेस्ट बंगाल. दार्जिलिंग में स्पेशली देर आर अबाउट 80 टी गार्डन्स एंड उनको प्लांटेशंस भी कहा जाता है, एस्टेट्स भी कहा जाता है एंड दे ब्रिंग ऑन द मेजर इकोनॉमी फॉर दैट प्लेस. जो दार्जिलिंग गए हैं उनको पता होगा दैट द दार्जिलिंग टी इज वेरी फेमस बट इट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव एज वेल एंड द रीजन बिहाइंड इट इज जो उनका कल्टिवेशन प्रोसेस होता है वो बहुत ही यूनिक होता है. इट इज मोर ऑर्थोडॉक्स एंड दैट्स व्हाई द कॉस्ट इज मोर. और कुछ बता दो. ओके, सो द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव टी दैट इज द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव एंड द मोस्ट सोल्ड टी इन दार्जिलिंग इज द मकाई बरी टी. So if you are going to Darjeeling or if you have been to there, you would know about this. So let's talk about some of the famous tea retreats in India. तो मैं दार्जिलिंग के बारे में बात ही कर रही हूँ. So the first one is Glenburn Tea Estate and Boutique Hotel. Enjoy the magnificence of Darjeeling at the colonial style bungalows of Glenburn Tea Estate. यहाँ पे जो मेजेस्टिक हिल्स है, it would just make you feel that you're floating above the cloud. And this estate specially offers tourists the peace they seek and gives them the unique taste of West Bengal tea. The next retreat is Taj Chia Kutir Resort, which is near Makai Bari Tea Estate. So as I have already given details about the most expensive tea, which is the Makai Bari tea, Taj itself is the epitome of luxury. And ये जो retreat है, which is Taj Chia Kutir Resort, it offers the visitors an astounding view of the fabled Himalayas peeking between the lush green tea bushes. The retreat itself is surrounded with the divine rooftop restaurant जहाँ पे आपको finest cuisines you will get to experience and taste the finest cuisines from all around the world. Now you already know right that Makai Bari Tea Estate is the most expensive tea. However, you must also know it is the award-winning tea and it is also the most sold. Mayfair Resort is nestled at Yorkshire Village in the Nagaland Hills among the tranquil tea gardens. और ये जो है it's an oriental delight and it provides you the modern amenities. So if you're going there, please do stay at Mayfair Resort. Moving on to the next resort, which is called the Outer Space, which is in Sattvam. ये जो traditional Kerala tea club set है, it is awesome because these are basically cottages और आपको यहाँ पे you just stay there, gaze at the stars, sip your cup of tea, you brood about anything and feel close to the cosmos. The state-of-the-art glass cabins offers visitors a wide, uninterrupted view of the surrounding mountains and the tea gardens. Last but not the least, Windflower Resort and Spa at Y3. From open-air jacuzzi to high tea sessions, this place of northern Kerala has a lot to offer. So that's all guys. Please let me know in the comment box ऐसी कौन सी टी resorts है जो आपको बहुत पसंद है, ऐसी कौन सी टी gardens है which you have been to and you have loved it या आप जाना चाहते हो. We will be looking for your suggestions. And thank you so much for watching us. Please जल्दी like, share and subscribe कर दे so that we bring to you amazing videos of different destinations, of different places, of different food and whatever you talk about, whatever you want to know about. So yeah, and please stay safe, stay happy and get vaccinated if you have not been yet. So that's all guys. This is Supriti, your host, signing off. Bye.